This is the spray block that I did the giveaway for a few weeks ago. It's actually been claimed. I missed a large email, it went into the spam, but I have found it now. I've managed to find a little bit of time to make a scraper for it. That's actually silver steel. It's some old stock I got given. It'll be the real stuff, that. So I'm going to go about putting a point on it. I'm at current length, probably about that length. Point on each end. One end has a bend on it, a 45-degree bend, and then we'll harden it and then temper it back to a suitable hardness for making a scraper with. First thing to do is put a point on the end. I won't use a file to put a point on. You'll notice I've got no rings on, no baggy sleeves. You just don't want to get caught up in there. Using the safe edge of the file up against the chuck. Also, you must have a handle on the file. You don't want that file tine kicking back within your hand. It's a decent point. I think I'll put a little bit more tape on it. I'm quite happy with that. Cut it to length now. Just going to clean the surface rust of it. We'll reasonably through that as well. Silver steel is nice and true. Round material to a dead size. This will be 3/16. Just a little bit of oil on some Scotch Brite transforms it into something really nice. Put that little bit of weight back in the silver steel store, keep that. Same on this end, just a nice gentle file point. Polish the that part of the upright part of the stand, because I've got the lathe run. It'll only take seconds. A little bit more surface pitting on here, possibly cutting emery tape on that. considerably better. That looks better already. So you're going to be straight in for scribing like that, and then what you normally have is that end there is bent up. That end's bent up like that, so it's 45 degrees, so you can scribe lower down. So I'll heat this up now, bend that, make it fully hard, polish it again, and then temper it back. A little bit of time spent on that, it's going to clean up and be a lovely piece. I think it's brown and sharp, I'm not sure. It is brown and sharp. When it's not being used, you put two pieces of cork on there just so you can't poke yourself in the finger, because they are very sharp. Right, I'm going to temper this. As I say, I'm going to soften it. I'm going to put heat on, probably about there, and I'm going to watch the colour of the tip. That needs to go a yellow colour. When it's yellow, it'll be about 210, 220 degrees centigrade. That's the right temperature to quench it. I'm going to quench it in oil. That happens to be 1040 car engine oil. In the good old days they would have used wheel oil, sperm oil, but I haven't got any of that, so I'm sure the car engine oil will do the job. So I'll light a torch, put the heat on here. I'll do this end, then I'll bring the camera in closer and so we can actually see the colours running that end. This is actually an oxy-propane flame. Right. Put the heat on there and I'm watching the colours. You can see them start to go up the spray bar. There's the colours at the bottom like a bluey colour. Right, it's going towards the tip, going, and that's yellow now. That may not have been hot enough. That's more blue than a yellow. I'll do the other end. It's certainly hard enough to describe lines with. Right, hopefully on this one you can see the colours a little bit better. So we heat it up there and watch for the colours going up the part. Goes blue first. There's a yellow band just starting to come, that's it. Bastard's warm. This is a carriage of a 2-post car hoist. That's a pin that was in there. And there's actually a roller goes on there, and the roller's worn the pin away. Once again, there's no provision to put any grease or anything in here. So I've cut the welds off, knocked these out. I'm no metallurgist, but I'm pretty sure that shouldn't have happened when I hit it with a hammer. The metal just broke clean through. I'm going to make 2 new pins here out of decent material and weld them in. Once again, this is not safety critical. If these pins went in, the hoist wouldn't collapse. It would just wouldn't work properly. There's no way I'm going to weld anything it's load bearing or safety critical. So the idea is to turn 2 pins, put them into there, and run some weld around the inside. Otherwise the hoist basically scrap without repairing it. It hasn't actually done that much work. This is the only bit of bar I've got that I know I can weld and it'll be alright. It's too big a diameter, plus I can't cut it because my bandsaw, the blades decide to snap the last blade. So I'm just going to part 2 pieces off and machine it out of that. Give a little bang, good, typical workout. Yeah, what you don't want to break the chips when it's running nice on the slower. Chips break nice when it's running a lot faster. That's what the Carage is designed to do, remove metal. Just about there. Back it's there. I don't think it'll be going anywhere because it's also welded on the inside. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always a massive thanks for all the welders that are coming in. It really does it's nice that there are some nice people out there. There's some nasty things going on in the world, but there is some really nice, caring people, and I'm pleased a lot of them are my viewers. Anyway, thanks for watching.